Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox Acer Core i3 laptop. So let's unbox this. It's come with a nice packaging. So here is the laptop. You can see it's very safety. And here's some documentation log. And this is the power adapter. So let's unwrap this packaging. Wow, here is our laptop. So let's turn on this laptop. So let's check its key specifications. The model number of this laptop is Aspire 3 A315-58 and its display size is 15.6-inch Full HD LCD display with a resolution of 920 by 1080 pixels, and the processor is Intel Core i3 with a 2.4 gigahertz, and its hard disk it's 1 TB and 4 GB RAM. About its graphics, it has an Intel UHD graphics, and about its battery, it has 36 watts Li-ion battery. So it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and a web camera also. So now let's see its build quality and its designs. Here you can see here it has a very good silver color matte finish, and here's the logo of Acer. Yeah, it's very good and very nice build quality. And now let's check its connectivity and ports. Here is the two USB ports, the USB 3.0 generation ports and one HDMI port, and here is the LAN port. On the other side of this laptop, here is the one USB port with a type A, and here is the audio jack port, and here's the two indicator lights for battery charging indicator, and here is the brightness indicator. So now let's see it's about its thickness. It is not so thick and not so thin. You can see here it's weight around 1.7 kg. So yeah, it's nice and very good in a size and portable. Now let's see its keypad. So I will write something here. Yes, it is very good, very flexible buttons. Yeah, very smooth in while typing. I really like the keypad of this, very smooth and very flexible. Now let's see about its touchpad. Here is the cursor, you can see. Yeah, it's moving very fast, very responsive, very quick. It is responsive, the cursor, without stopping anywhere. Yeah, very nice, very responsive cursor, and touchpad is very fine and good. So this laptop is very useful for daily purpose, for a daily use, for your work, your office work, or you want to watch movies and all. So it's good for your daily purpose because it has a very less RAM, and it has a processor of i3, so it is not good for heavy gamings or video editing. And so it is very good for daily purpose also. You can use your software for your daily work and all. So it is good and fine, very, because it is come under very budgetable. So it's a good and very fine and portable laptop. Hope you guys like my video. Please do a subscribe and hit that bell icon, and have any queries just drop them in the comments. I will respond it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will back again on the other videos. Thanks for watching.